Alright guys, I quickly want to show you how you can buy your cheap data from this phone pay app. So quickly head over to buy data. Head over, click on this buy data. So if you are buying MTN data, just click on this circle. If you are buying Glo, click on this circle. If you are buying Airtel also, so repeat. So I'll be using MTN for example in this video, so I will just click here, then you scroll down and select your MTN data plan. We have about 3 to 4 MTN data plan. We have MTN gifting, there is MTN SME, there is MTN direct data, and they also have MTN SME today's offer, MTN today's offer. So if these offers are available, you'll be able to see them, but it's like they are currently not available for now. So we just click on the MTN gifting plan, then you choose the plan based on the amount that you have, or let me say it depends on the amount that the customer wants to purchase. Just check the price list. Do you understand? So go to MTN SME also, search for the price. If a customer says he wants to buy data 1 gig 30 days, then you come to MTN SME. So just come to MTN SME, just click on it. So just click on it. So I want you to know that if you buy this data plan and sell to your customer, you can charge your customer 700, 800 naira, then you make about 300 naira, about 220 or about 120 naira as your own profit. You understand? So once you select the product, the plan that you want to purchase, then you scroll down where you will ask to enter your phone number. You understand? So just enter the phone number. So this number can be your phone number if you want to buy data for yourself, but if you want to sell to people, like you want to sell to someone, just enter the customer phone number. Once you enter the customer phone number, so you click on the proceed button. So click on the proceed button. So this is where you'll be asked to enter your payment pin. So just enter your payment pin. Your payment pin can either be 5-digit number or 4-digit number. Once you do that, then click on the send now button. Once you click on the send now button, the data will be successfully sent to the recipient. It's either you buy on your, you purchase the data to your phone, you receive it, or you send it to a customer, and the customer will also receive the data. Once you do that, you collect your money from the customer. But make sure that you always collect your money from the customer before you purchase your customer, so to avoid a low wallet balance, so they'll be able to restock your wallet. Do you understand? So thank you guys.